The South Tripura Bus Owners Association has completed 35 years. To mark the 35th anniversary of the organization, various programs were undertaken. As part of the celebration, a statue of Shyama Prasad Mukherjee was unveiled at Nagarjala on Saturday. The program was attended by Chief Minister of the state, Professor Dr. Manik Shah. After unveiling the statue, the Chief Minister said that bus services in the state had once started with very basic tin-made buses. At that time, there was a cordial relationship between the owners and workers. Later, Marxist ideology came into prominence, and efforts were made to create division between owners and workers. After a long period of such disorder, Prime Minister Narendra Modi assumed office as Prime Minister, raised the slogan Sabka Saath, Sabka Vikas, which means together with all, development for all. As a result, the country is now witnessing progress. The Chief Minister emphasized that development is not possible unless everyone moves forward together in unity.
কিন্তু কোনো শ্রমিককে এই ফাঁকে ওই যে যারা কমিউনিজমের লোক, সোশ্যালিজমের যে লোক, তারা ঢুকে এসে মালিক এবং শ্রমিকের মধ্যে ডিভাইড অ্যান্ড পলিসির যে মাধ্যম, সেটা করাতে আজকে দেশের যে এতদিন বাদে যে দেশের উন্নয়ন হচ্ছে, সেই জায়গায় এখন মাননীয় প্রধানমন্ত্রীজি বলছেন যে সবকা সাথ সবকা বিকাশ, বিশ্বাস আর তার প্রয়াস। সবাইকে নিয়ে যদি আমরা না চলি, কোনোদিন উন্নয়ন কোনোদিন সম্ভব না।
Also present at the program were Kamal Dev, President of the South Tripura Bus Owners Association, Shyamal Dev, Mandal President of the 8 Town Bordwali, along with others. Bureau Report, Fact Finder.